These are my new winter boots by BomKinta. So they're specifically a snow boot meant to keep your feet super warm and having a anti-slip sole on the outside. So these are a ankle length boot, as you can see here. They are super water resistant and warm. The material of it is made with Oxford cloth, which is water resistant, super soft to touch, and durable, as well as easy to clean. The boot's lining use a fine artificial soft plush, so you can kind of see that fuzzy bit poking through, which feels so comfy and soft. Your foot pretty much gets a hug. So you're definitely staying warm in these, even if you're just wearing thin socks. The sole reduces the risk of slipping and definitely keeps you safe. They have 5 different colors to choose from to fit your exact style. Definitely check them out.